History and evolution of AI. To truly understand artificial intelligence and its significance today, it's helpful to look back at how it all began and how the field has developed over time. The idea of creating intelligent machines has fascinated humans for centuries. Early stories and myths featured artificial beings brought to life, reflecting our long standing curiosity about replicating human intelligence. However, the scientific journey of AI started much more recently. Early foundations from 1940s to 1950s. The foundation of AI was laid during this period, driven by advances in mathematics, computing, and the study of human cognition. Alan Turing, a British mathematician and computer scientist, proposed the idea of a machine that could simulate any human computation. In 1950, he introduced the famous Turing test, suggesting that if a machine could converse in a way indistinguishable from human, it could be considered as intelligent. The birth of AI. In 1956, the term artificial intelligence was officially coined at a conference held at Dartmouth College in the United States. Researchers like John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Alan Neville, and Herbert Simon gathered to discuss how machines might simulate human intelligence. This event marked the formal beginning of AI as a research field. Early optimism and challenges. From 1950s to 1970s, early AI programs showed promising results in solving mathematical problems and playing simple games like checkers. Researchers were optimistic and believed that achieving human level AI would be possible within few decades. However, progress slowed as researchers realized that tasks like language understanding and vision were far more complex than it initially thought. During this time, AI system relied on rules written by humans known as symbolic AI or good old-fashioned AI. While effective in specific tasks, these systems struggle with flexibility and handling real-world uncertainties. AI winters. From 1970s to 1990s, the high expectations of early AI research led to the disappointment when progress stalled. Funding and interest declined in what became known as AI winters. These periods were marked by reduced research support and skepticism about AI's promises. Revival through machine learning. From 1990s to 2000s, AI experienced a revival thanks to advances in machine learning. Researchers began developing algorithms that could learn patterns from data rather than relying solely on hard coded rules. Improved computing power and classes to larger datasets helped machine learning techniques become more effective. Successes in areas like speech recognition, handwriting recognition, and data mining renewed interest in AI research and applications. Successes in areas like speech recognition, handwriting recognition, and data mining renewed interest in AI research and applications. The deep learning revolution. From 2010s to present, the modern AI boom has been driven by deep learning, a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks with many layers to analyze complex data. Deep learning has led to significant breakthroughs in fields like computer vision, natural language processing, and game playing. In 2012, a deep learning model developed by researchers at the University of Toronto achieved a major victory in the ImageNet competition, dramatically improving image recognition accuracy. This milestone highlighted the potential of deep neural networks and sparked widespread adoption of deep learning techniques. AI today AI is integrated into many aspects of daily life, from voice assistants and recommendation systems to medical diagnostics and self-driving cars. Companies and governments around the world are investing heavily in AI research and development, recognizing its potential to transform industries and societies. AI continues to evolve rapidly with ongoing research into areas like explainable AI, ethical considerations, and the development of more general intelligent systems capable of broader reasoning and understanding. Understanding this history helps put today's AI developments into the context. It shows how far the field has come and reminds us that while AI has achieved remarkable progress, there are still many challenges and opportunities ahead.